Yo, what's happening guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Just first and foremost, this video is going to be kind of like rough off the top of my head. Just grab the camera real quick. Just want to say thank you to you guys as well. So the audio is going to be all over the place. The colors are going to be all over the place. I'm kind of going to give you like a little walk around while I speak, I guess, and just get some stuff off my chest. I just want to say thank you to you guys as well. So first and foremost, I haven't dropped a video in probably like I think it's about a week now, like 7 days now, which feels like forever because I've been growing literally crazy. By the way, we just surpassed the 10,000 subscriber mark, so I just want to thank every single one of you that have actually subscribed. Shout out to all my kind of OGs, if you want. I don't know why that's such a tongue twister, but shout out to all the OGs that have actually been subscribed to this channel for a very long time, way back in the day, and you've actually been watching me ever since. So yeah guys, honestly, thank you so much for actually, I genuinely mean it from the bottom of my heart guys, honestly, thank you so much for actually, subscribing, supporting, just even commenting, even liking, that sort of stuff, because the more I can get my message out, because I was just a regular normal dude, to be honest with you. It's been really weird, my journey. In fact, like 2022, 23, I was like broke. 24 was doing slightly okay, but managed to pull myself up a little bit more and whatnot. I think I scaled my agency like to like 5.2k was the actual max, and that was like USD I ever did. And then just 24 to 25 was the actual kind of like year where I actually made, like at 25, to be honest with you, was when I actually made my first like $250,000 in USD, which is absolutely just insane. Now I just turned 26, back in March. So guys, I am not even joking, I am one of those cliche rags to riches cliche stories, guys. Like honestly, I'm not even joking. If you could see like where I was from, like council houses and stuff like that, with like drug dealers on the corner, on the block, as you say. There's like literal crackheads, like hobos. No offense to them, just like living on the streets and shit like that. I literally came from like areas like that, and now we've got like a really nice apartment and stuff like that. literal touchless, like lights in the friggin' mirror and stuff like that. We've got like Alexa controls and stuff like that. Huge gigantic 65-inch TV. So honestly guys, I just want to kind of like thank you in this video, and kind of like, so I want to kind of basically use this video to kind of ask you guys for suggestions, because I do want to give back to you guys. So I'm thinking about doing like a giveaway. So I'm probably going to get like a new spec'd out like MacBook Air, the new MacBook Air, what just got announced by Apple. What I'm going to do is probably give one of those away. So what I'm going to do is probably do it at like 15k subscribers, obviously, because what I want to do is get a fully spec'd out MacBook Air. By the way, I actually scaled my entire business just using a early 2015, might I add, it was early 2015 MacBook Air. Absolutely insane. I literally grew my business off of that. And actually I had the 11-inch version, the 11-inch version, and then that kind of like got destroyed because I actually, for some reason, I took it in the bathroom thinking I was cool, listening to music while my headphones were plugged in, and then I actually just ended up putting water on it like a doofus, like an absolute donkey. By the way, I do look like an absolute donkey right now. This fit is not looking good. I'm just in kind of like grind mode, if you will, right now. But yeah, this is just kind of like my bedroom. By the way, I switched it all the way around. So let me quickly try adjust this camera. So this is kind of like my wrinkly ass. By the way, if anybody knows why this friggin' washer dryer makes my clothes look so, my like stuff come out so friggin' wonky, crooked. But like that's my kind of like stand there for my, it's absolutely huge, by the way guys. I don't know if the camera is actually picking this up, but like from here all the way to over there, it's absolutely huge. This TV is just ignorantly huge. Like I don't even watch TV, by the way. I don't recommend getting a TV, but this view here, honestly, I don't know if this will actually focus. It's way too blown out for this particular lens. I need to get one of those, what they're called, those filter thingy majigs. But like that view right there absolutely looks like amazing and stuff like that. So that's kind of like the bedroom. Nothing much to see there. I'm not really giving you guys a house tour, I guess. Let me just quickly make this focus. Okay, cool. So this is kind of like the landing ways, or hallway, or whatever you want to call it. I kind of like put my phone on there, and it just kind of pops on there. I don't know if you got to see that, but my actual camera skills are terrible. But long story short guys, what I really wanted to show you guys was the new and improved kind of like office setup. So if you guys have been watching the channel and whatnot, you know that I didn't really have all this stuff previously, and my desk was kind of like set up over there. So now it's got like a nice little window view, if you will. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This is just stood there. But yeah, this is just kind of like stood there. I don't know why this is just there. But I did get a whiteboard. I kind of like moved my desk. As you can see, the imprints on the carpet, it was kind of like there. I probably should throw like a video up or something of the previous setup. But right now I'm rocking this setup right here. Kind of looks kind of cool, to be honest with you. Very kind of like minimalistic, sleek. By the way, I'm actually going to be replacing these two drawers, probably going to get rid of them or something like that, or donate them, or whatever I feel like doing. Probably donate them, probably donate those particular two Alex drawers, they're called. And then what I'm going to do is basically get like a standing desk basically, but it's really cool because I can do stuff like this. Alexa, I'm back.
Welcome back, Master Gordon.
And then like everything just turns purple and stuff like that. And then I've got like this light in the corner, which is really cool for like, you know, jumping on actual calls and stuff like that, because you can kind of see the actual thingamajig in the background. But that's kind of like the office and kind of like how I've got it set up. My back is against the door, so it does feel kind of weird because the doorway is actually there, and then I actually just sit there and stuff like that. So it does feel like I don't know, if somebody walks in and just see what I'm doing on my computer, not that I'm doing anything shady or looking at some saucy websites, but you guys know what I'm on about. It just feels a little bit weird. But yeah, this is kind of like the bathroom. It's very dirty in here, by the way. Like everything's just dirty right now. The reason for that is because my actual apartment cleaner, I do have a cleaner, and they actually went on holiday, I believe. But this is kind of like my kitchen area, if you will. This table, absolutely hate it. Like, this is a piece of shit. Don't get one of these. Don't go cheap on your stuff, guys. That sofa over there, though, is like the main attraction, if you will. Then we've got like a balcony view. Then we've got like a TV and stuff like that. I don't really play Nintendo Switch. The last time I played that apparently was January 2021. I was actually playing, what's it called again? Zelda, Breath of the Wild. Absolutely dope game, by the way. But yeah, you can't really see out this view. I probably should have put a better lens on because this is like way too bright. But guys, real quick. But yeah, guys, that's just kind of like the apartment setup and what it's kind of like looking like right now. I mean, it's June, the time I'm recording this is June the 9th. So in 10 days, it will actually be, let me set you guys down. So in 10 days, it will actually be, one whole year since I've lived here. Again, I'm paying like £725 for this per month, so it's an absolute steal. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, absolutely beautiful office. Got my little whiteboard in the corner and stuff like that. New setup. This is the first video I think I've actually done in this particular new setup and stuff like that. So let me guys know what you guys think. Obviously, I haven't got the lighting set up right now because I just quickly grabbed the camera. So obviously the lighting is going to be better than this. I'm just using natural light right now, but I feel like this is so much more, it makes me feel much more productive, and that's kind of like the aim of this video, I guess. I just want to talk about like your environment, if you will. So I get a lot of people talking about like how important is environment as an entrepreneur, and guys, literally that is one of the it's one of the most cliche questions I get, and I'm like, yo, I don't even know why you're asking that, because if I feel like you're asking that already knowing the answer. Like, your environment's absolutely crucial to your success. Like living with somebody, or like living with your girlfriend, or living with your parents, stuff like that, I can see the benefits, because obviously you can split the bills and all that sort of stuff. But honestly, guys, get your own place. I believe I'm up right now by like 700 and something %. Like, my actual business has grown like 700 and something % on the last year, and I've just lived here for 1 year. So does it pay for itself? 100%. And the reason for that is because you can just have so much more free time to think, sit back, and then whenever you get like a random inspiration, you can just go and act upon that without having to ask anybody, or kind of like, you know, like when you want to shoot a video and your parents are around or something like that, or like someone's around the house or something, or you want to go and do or take some sort of action, you want to make some sort of content or something like that, and someone's around the house and it feels really awkward. Well, with this, there's nobody around. I can do whatever the frig I want to do at any time. Like a drop's notice, or a hat drops notice, or whatever that frigging cliche saying is. I'm making up words again, guys. But yeah, still rocking the M1 MacBook Pro. I've seen that the new Macs have actually just basically been released, WDC 2022, Apple and stuff like that. So I will probably be buying one of those MacBook Airs for like personal, or probably like business use, but for more travel stuff. I'm probably going to buy 2 of them. One of them I'm probably going to give away on this channel. Let me know if you guys want to actually do that. So 2 things. I'm probably going to do a giveaway of a fully spec'd out 2022 M2 MacBook Air. Probably, and that'll probably be any color you guys basically want it. So I'll fully spec that out, and I'll actually give that away to somebody on this particular channel at like 15,000 subscribers, just to give back to you guys. If you guys want that, just put yes, just put M2 MacBook Air in the actual comment section if you guys think that's a good idea. That's not going to enter you into the competition just yet. I'm just getting initial thoughts basically. So if you guys want me to do a giveaway at 15,000 subscribers, I will do that. Second thing is, for this 10K, I guess, subscriber special video that I'm doing right now, let me know if you guys have any questions. So what I want to do is I want to do like a live Q&A kind of, well, not a live Q&A. I want to do like a Q&A session on this particular channel. So if you want me to do a live Q&A kind of like on my channel and answer any of your guys' questions, just put the questions in the comment section, literally, and I'll do like a 10,000, because I know that these are kind of popular. I've seen a couple of these, but like, put the questions below, and what I'll do is I'll actually like create an actual video just answering everybody's questions. Probably might be like a 10, 20, 30 minute long video or something like that. Also, by the way, guys, just real quick, age instrumentation right now, because it's being built out more and more and more, I'm actually increasing the price. By the way, I've had so many people tell me to increase my price. I'll put some screenshots on the screen right now. Well, in the last couple of days, I've literally been told by like 3 or 4 people in the last just 2 days or something like that, last 28 hours, 28 hours or whatever it's been, that I should increase my prices, which is, listen, I'm not a genius or anything like that. I actually put this on my Instagram, so I'm not a genius or anything like that, but when like multiple people are telling you to actually increase, like when does that ever happen anyway, first and foremost? Second of all, like when multiple people are telling you to do one thing, you probably should listen, because that's feedback. You know, give the market what they want, if you will. I'm not a genius or anything like that, but if multiple people are saying it, probably maybe ought to listen. I don't know. But long story short, age instrumentation will actually be increasing by $200, so it's going from $597, so it's $597 right now, and it's going to be $797 on the 28th of June. Originally, I was going to do the 21st of June, but I forgot that I actually didn't even do a YouTube video for a whole week, so it's not kind of fair to release it to my actual, you know, Instagram audience when you guys are like my main audience, if you will. Like my Instagram's kind of like cool and whatnot. That's where you can kind of like get your questions answered and stuff like that. You can DM me and whatnot, and you can follow me and like see the behind the scenes. But like main YouTube, I obviously produce content for you guys for completely free. So yeah, age instrumentation is going to be $797 on the 28th of June. So if you want to enroll now, that will obviously save you $200. If you don't, that's completely fine. It will just be $797. And if you don't want to enroll ever, you don't have to. By the way, you can go and build an agency successfully if you don't buy quote unquote courses. You don't have to buy a course. It's just that the knowledge is out there. It's just that you have to spend your time putting the knowledge all together and then put it in a coherent way and then follow that and implement that. And then you don't know if you're doing the right thing. So it does kind of get a little bit messy and it feels like you're not on the right path. I've been there, put it that way. But you can still build an agency. I'm not trying to quote unquote sell courses basically. By the way, I have never ever once ever sold my age instrumentation or like any sort of coaching program via reaching out to anybody or running a single ad. There you go. I'm really not trying to sell courses. I'm just here if you need me. If you don't, go about doing your thing. I'm just here. Take my videos, go build an agency. But long story short, guys, that price is going up. Second of all, like I said, so thank you guys again for the 10K subscribers. This video's been all over the place, but I just literally want to put something out at least so you can kind of like see, I don't know, behind the scenes, and just thank you guys for the 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I will be doing some sort of giveaway probably at like 15K for the M2 MacBook Air, or if there's another better MacBook that comes out, I'll probably do a giveaway. Just let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. I'm just trying to get some ideas here. Second of all, I do want to do like a Q&A like video so I can answer your questions and stuff like that. So if you want that to, you know, if you want me to do that, just drop the questions below in this comment section and I'll basically just go through and answer them, basically. So just drop your questions and just basically dropping 2 things, whether you want me to do a giveaway and the questions that you basically want to answer. So leave it in one comment, basically. You don't have to blow up my comment section. I'm already growing enough on YouTube and whatnot. But long story short, guys, again, honestly, just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Absolutely insane to say that I've actually grown some sort of channel to 10,000 subscribers. Where I'm from, this sort of stuff is just, people don't do this sort of stuff. I'm not even joking. I think you guys think I'm like lying when I say like I'm from like a really crappy, rough area and like nobody's really trying to achieve anything. It's just me kind of like just on my own. I think on my own. I think I got like 2 friends that own businesses and they aren't even from the area I'm from. So like that are actually from Sheffield, that is, by the way. So honestly, guys, appreciate every single one of you. So thank you again. I've got a lot more in the tank. I feel like I'm only in gear 2. Business is absolutely growing. I think we hit like we're like 8 days. We're like 8 days in. 9 days in to the month, and I'm like 10. I've already made like 10.7K or something like that this particular month, and then this. I think the last 4 weeks or something like that, we're at like 28K, 27 or 28K, just under 28K, and that's British pounds as well. It's absolutely nuts. Everything's just blowing up, guys. Anyway, guys, I'll probably make some more in-depth videos. This one's just kind of like a throwaway video, just me pulling out the camera and just showing you behind the scenes and how I changed my new office setup and changed my environment to increase my productivity. Then I've got the whiteboard over there with the goals on to get to 50K and stuff like that. per month. But yeah, guys, hope you guys have kind of enjoyed this video. It wasn't really a video of content, but I mean a lot of like valuable content, but it's more of like, I guess, just trying to inspire you guys a little bit, showing you behind the scenes of what's possible you can actually achieve, as well as just giving. I want to give back to you guys as well, as in like I want to do some sort of giveaway, and I also want to do some sort of Q&A. So just comment down below. Anyway, guys, hope you guys are doing well, and I love each and every single one of you. And I see you guys very, very soon. Again, thanks for the 10K. Let's get it up to 50K, 100K very, very soon. Let's grow this and actually genuinely help people. That's what we're here for. Anyway, guys, see you guys soon. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.